Here at home, a new study is shedding some fresh light on this country's gender pay gap. It's well established Canadian women on average earn less than their male counterparts. Now researchers say they've discovered just how soon after graduation pay for women begins to fall behind. Abigail Bimman breaks down the numbers.
It's funny, at lunch today I was looking at a male colleague that came to my head and I'm like, you're probably making more money than I.
Women earning less than men is not new, but the extent of it, as shown in a new study, has many minding the gap.
It's unjust. It's very unjust. I mean, I'm shocked.
The report by the University of Ottawa and the Labour Market Information Council tracked earnings for all graduates of publicly funded post-secondary institutions in Canada using StatsCan data, from college certificates to PhDs, between 2010 and 2015. On average, it found women earned 12% less than men 1 year after graduation. $5,700. That widened to 25% less, $17,700 by year 5.
It's disappointing that they're making so much less.
I didn't know those stats were so high.
The difference between men and women cuts across all credentials and all fields of study. So there isn't one sort of credential, one example of a credential or field of study where women are earning more than men 5 years after graduation.
It remains one of the enduring questions, huge questions, economic and social, of our time.
The authors say a new StatsCan dataset allows it to be the most comprehensive study of its kind, aimed at giving people a better understanding of just how much they'd earn if they pursue a specific field and education path.
Information in the public domain in an accessible format that hasn't previously existed.
But there are still questions about why the gender gap exists. The study couldn't track number of hours worked, which affects pay, nor someone's specific job. Someone who graduated in one field may work in another. And it's not always easy to talk about.
That'd be an awkward question.
But Marie Bodden says she's going to try, confronting the potentially higher earning staff member at her school.
It's time for us to get the right pay. After that today, I'm going to go to him and ask him.
Abigail Bimman, Global News, Ottawa.